Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TransUnion SmartMove for tenant screening efficiency, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the TransUnion SmartMove website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the activation process. Enter the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, click on Create Account to proceed. You will receive a verification email to confirm your account. Check your inbox for the email from TransUnion SmartMove. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your account is verified, return to the SmartMove login page. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Tenant Screening option on the dashboard menu. Click on it to access the screening features. Select the type of tenant screening you wish to perform. You can choose from options like credit reports or background checks. Fill in the required information about the prospective tenant. This may include their name, address, and social security number. After filling in the details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Submit to initiate the wait for the processing to complete. You will receive the screening results via email. Review the results thoroughly to make informed decisions. For any questions, consult the SmartMove support resources. Now your TransUnion SmartMove is activated and ready for efficient tenant screening. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.